is your favorite game?
My favorite game is carrom board. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy.
Do you like English?
Yes, I am like English.
I like English.
Which language? Which language do you speak at home? I am speaking home is Tamil.
What
I
is
speak Tamil at home.
What is your brother and sister name?
My brother and sister name is Monica Janau.
When do you get up?
I get up
I get up
6
6 o'clock.
When do you go to bed?
I go
and
to
go
bed.
to bed 8 o'clock. What is your name?
What's your name?